An apple's life begins as a tiny seed buried in moist soil. Warm sunlight and water awaken the seed, causing it to sprout delicate roots that grow downward to absorb nutrient. Germination, 0 to 3 months. After stratification, seeds will sprout small white roots. Plant sprouted seeds in small pots with good potting soil, 1 to 2 cm deep. Keep soil moist, place in bright indirect light or under grow lights. Temperature, 15 to 24 degrees C, 60 to 75 degree F. Seedlings appear in 2 to 6 weeks. Stage 3, seedling stage, year 1 to 2. Keep indoors or in a greenhouse the first winter if you live in a cold climate. By the end of year 1, seedling is usually 20 to 60 cm, 8 to 24 in, tall. Stage 4, young tree sapling, years 2 to 5. Plant outside in spring after danger of hard frost, when tree is at least 30 to 50 cm tall. Choose a sunny spot, 6-8+ hours direct sun. Soil, well-drained, loamy, pH 6.0 to 7.0. Dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball, same depth. Space, standard trees 6 to 9 m, 20 to 30 feet, apart, dwarf varieties 2 to 4 m, 6 to 12 feet. Stake the young tree the first 1 to 2 years if windy. Water deeply once a week the first 2 summers. Mulch around base to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Growth, 30 to 90 cm, 1 to 3 feet per year depending on variety and conditions. Stage 5, juvenile tree, first flowers, usually years 4 to 8. Trees grown from seed often take 6 to 10 years to bear fruit, sometimes 5, rarely 4. Dwarf rootstock, if you later graft, can reduce this to 2 to 4 years. In spring you'll see the first flower buds. Most apples are not self-fertile. You need at least 2 different varieties that bloom at the same time for cross-pollination. Bees do the work. Full size depends on rootstock and variety. Seed grown, standard 6 to 10 m, 20 to 35 feet, tall and wide. Dwarf, 2 to 3 m, 6 to 10 feet. Semi-dwarf, 4 to 6 m, 12 to 20 feet. First real crop is usually small, full production by year 10 to 15. Annual care. Prune in late winter, early spring, open center or central leader shape. Thin fruit in June, removes excess baby apples so remaining ones grow larger. Pest disease management, codling moth, apple scab, fire blight, etc. Fertilize sparingly. Too much nitrogen is equal to lots of leaves, few apples. The apples become fully ripe, rich in red color with natural surface shine. Leaves deepen to a vibrant green, some gently shifting in the natural breeze. Thank you watching my channel. Likes and subscribes.